Hey folks, it's Jerry from York River Cannabis, and today we're going to show you how to make a weed-free garden, whether you're growing hemp or vegetables. Stay tuned to watch how we do it. Okay, so one thing all gardeners can agree on is that they hate weeds. Whether you're growing vegetables or hemp or anything, you're not going to want to be spending the majority of your time weeding your garden. So, how to prevent that? Number one, you're going to want to get industrial weed mat. Not the stuff from Lowe's, Home Depot, or Walmart. You want the really good stuff. And you can see one of our previous videos to really see what we're using here at the farm. Right now we're going to show you how to be able to plant your plants weed-free. So first thing you're going to need is some spray paint, a tape measure, a propane tank, and a weed burner. I'm going to show you each one individually and how it goes step by step so that you can have a weed-free garden. So first, grab your spray paint, grab your tape measure. Okay, now that you've properly spaced your plants, you're going to need to be able to make a hole in the weed mat so that you can put whatever plant you want. So before using the weed burner, you're going to want to make sure that that weed mat is taut. Otherwise, when you go to burn it, it could shrink up and kind of create some funky holes. So make sure that you see our other video on how to lay out that weed mat correctly so that you don't have that problem. And what you're going to need for this is a weed burner. Now you can pick this up on Amazon and the link will be in the description below, but you can really get these at Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's. And they're gonna hook up to a propane tank. So if you have a gas grill, just use your propane tank. It's really easy. Now this one has an igniter. So all you're gonna do is turn on your propane, put it on low, and you're going to hit the light button. And that's it. And you're going to slowly go down, and we're going to show you how that's done. Okay, so you've burned your holes in your weed mat. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to have some sort of prying mechanism. Now this is just a simple screwdriver handle pry bar, and I'll leave the link in the description below. But any real tool can work. You can even use a hammer. All you're going to need to do is remove the staples on one side of the weed mat so that you can flip it up and run irrigation tubing underneath that mat. It's not required that you run irrigation for weed mat. However, I highly recommend it. These plants will not get as much water as they would if they did not have the weed mat. So I'm going to show you now how to remove those staples and run your irrigation. Well folks, thanks for watching this video. I would highly recommend, if before you get to this process, check out our other videos on laying out the weed mat and running irrigation so that you don't make a mistake that could be a little costly to you. Everything we use today here at the farm will be in the description with a link so that you can have the exact same stuff we're using. Can't thank you enough for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to see more videos, and if you'd like daily updates on what we're doing on the farm, go to Instagram and find us at York River Cannabis. Thanks for watching.